Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today, looks like we had a freaking recovery in the market because everything just basically bounced back. Everything basically bounced back, even a little bit. But then this day, it was tough. Yesterday was a tough one. I mean, we didn't make it back to where we were before. So maybe it's a dead cat bounce, but I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And let me know if you guys bought anything yesterday, because if you bought anything yesterday, most likely then you're up today. Neo's still struggling. I mean, it was up almost 4% at one point, and then it went back down to under 2%. And it seems like there's still a huge chip shortage out there, man. Toyota, they said that they're cutting capacity 40%, 40 freaking percent for Toyota. I mean, they'd be selling 10 million cars a year, right? Around that. And they're cutting it down to 6 million if it's going down 40%. And then Volkswagen also doing the same thing. iPhones, the chip shortage is still not over. So that makes me think that Neo is probably going to be struggling also. We might not see a $10,000 or 10,000 car delivery number for August. We might not even see a 9,000 car delivery. This is just, I think, a short term struggle. I think we might see this for another year, honestly, maybe even 2 years. I think that's what some people are saying. It might be a 2 year struggle for chips right now, chip shortage 2 year thing. So we might see companies like Neo and all those tech giants, car manufacturers, everything is just struggling. And we might not see Neo blossom until for a while. It might be like what Tesla, Tesla happened to Tesla over here, where it didn't really move for a couple of years and then it had a big blow up. It might be the same thing with Neo. So maybe we just might have to keep buying more shares for a while, and then once it does hit, it's gonna exponentially blow up. I mean, with the market cap that it has right now, under 60 billion, I think. Yeah, under 60 billion. We might see it go all the way up to 300 billion in a matter of a year. That's what could happen. We might see it go up a huge freaking amount in a short time if it keeps struggling, and then out of nowhere the struggles is going to be gone, and then it might just have its year where it just blows up straight up, and then have the same thing that happened to Tesla happen to Neo, or basically the same thing that happened to Neo what happened last year happen again, where it just blew up from where was it, from under $5, and it just kept going straight up, except for this little pullback, these little two pullbacks, and it went up from basically from March 27th lows all the way up to January, where it just did not stop moving upwards. All basically a whole year of it just going straight up. We might see that again. A 10x, I don't know. Maybe we can see a 5x, even a 3x. I think, for me, I am just can see Neo going back to all time highs by the end of the year, by Neo Day of next year, or whenever they announce Neo Day. I don't know if they announced it already or not, but I'm not really up to date to it. But whenever that happens and they do their presentation and their event and whatever they show all of us investors and customers and everything. I think that's gonna be a catalyst to make us move the way we moved last year, from like down here 40s to like the 60s, man. We might see a huge bump up in price. I mean, we're at $36 and we're delivering way more cars now than we were doing it last year. So, and we're gonna keep increasing the cars. Hopefully, we're gonna see how much the delivery numbers for August is gonna be, and then we see Tattooed Chef, right? Tattooed Chef above $17 now. So we saw it, Tattooed Chef under 16, and now it's over 17. Can it go back up to above $20 before my put expires? I don't know, man. September 17th, and I mean, we're getting closer and closer to that. I mean, I wouldn't mind buying 400 shares of Tattooed Chef at $20, but if it can go above $20 again, I don't mind. I don't mind it either way. I don't mind it either way. I don't mind buying another 400 shares of Tattooed Chef, so I can have 500 shares. I wouldn't buy any more after that, but then my position would be done. And right now, my main focus is just to slowly pay off my margin. So If this trade does execute and if Tattoo Chef does stay under $20, I'm gonna be forced to buy 400 shares of Tattoo Chef at $20, which is $8,000 that I'm gonna have to buy Tattoo Chef at. $8,000 plus the margin I already have used, 17,700. That's gonna be $25,700 that I'm gonna be in margin, and I'm gonna have to slowly bring that down. So for the next couple of months, maybe even year, I'm gonna have to slowly bring that margin down. I mean, by all means, man, I cannot be buying anything. You guys have to keep me in check. Whenever I say that I want to buy stuff, keep me in check. Keep me in check, all right? I really would need to get that number down. It would just be help. It will help me sleep better at night if I had a lower margin. Because right now, if I didn't have this margin, I'll be a buyer in this market. Like a few of these stocks right now, these companies are looking pretty nice, Not the big ones like these ones that are going closer to 52-week high, like Apple, and Amazon's not close to its 52-week high, but we see Microsoft and Facebook and Google. They're up there and they're close to their 52-week high. Look at this 52-week high, 377. This one's at 360 right now. It's hitting 360. Close to 360, right? What is it? Yeah, we're almost 360. And then we see Microsoft, right? It's at 304 right now. 52-week high is 305. I think it hit its 52-week high today. Yeah. And let's see Apple. Where the hell is Apple at? Apple 148, 52-week high of 151. So we keep seeing these monsters going up more and more. But then we see the small companies like Tilray, right? Not even close to its 52-week high. $67 its 52-week high. Dropbox is close to its 52-week high. We see Tesla's at 680 when we already know its 52-week high is 900. MP 31 right now when its 52 high is at 51. Corsair, it's at 26, same thing, 51. Then we see Tattooed Chef, it's at 17, 52 high, 28. Shopify is a monster, but even this one's kind of down to 1450 when its 52 high is 1650. And then we see Neo, my biggest position, it's at 36.90 right now, where it was up $30 more. It was up to 66.99. So, and then Neo is getting closer and closer to profitability. If you look at their earnings, look at that. That's what we want to see. Slow increase over time. It's slowly losing less money. It's getting profitable, man. Maybe the next 2 or 3 quarters we might start seeing profitability, and then we might see Neo going up a crazy amount, an insane amount. That would be an amazing thing to see. Quick update for you guys. Up a little bit today, down for the week, down for the month, up a little bit for the past 3 months, and down for the freaking year. All time we're still in the green. Goal 50K by the end of the year. Hopefully we can make it. We have a little more than 4 months left. I'm gonna have to keep depositing, and hopefully my stocks can stop dropping, man. My stocks have just kept on dropping and dropping and dropping. Look at that. I'm down 19% on Neo, up 29%. I'm basically breaking even on Tattooed Chef, down 32% on Corsair, down 10% on MP. I'm up 41% in Tesla, up 47% in Dropbox. Tilray, I've been into Tilray since like about $6 or $7. I had Afria and then it merged into it, so I'm pretty much still in the green with Tilray. I'm just gonna hold on to this one for as long as possible. And Ethereum up 30% on this one. So the stocks I'm in green in, I'm in green for in a good amount, and the stocks I'm in red in, I'm in the red for quite a good amount. So we're just gonna see when these babies can bounce back. But yeah, drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. I'm an average Joe, just showing you the moves that I'm making and the mistakes that I make and the good moves that I make and all that stuff. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one.